Yes, yeah. Hey, good morning, guys. My name is Craig. All of you know, of course. And welcome back to us Gaming Edge. If you don't know this, if you're new to this channel, subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, forget what I said. So today, guess what? I'm gonna show you how to create your own shirts in Roblox. Let's get started. Let's go. First of all, you are gonna pick a picture, like any picture, like seriously, any picture. Okay, I am gonna open, what is it called? Oh, boy, open, come on. Oh yeah, I can just write a scorpion combat. You can write this and oh my goodness, oh my I have monkey ears. That's good. See the images. The Google forgot everything. Okay. So let's get this one. Which one? I don't know what's open actually. Wait. Just forget about it. So next, let's see if there's another picture that is even better. Don't think so. I don't think we're gonna open this one. This one looks nice, I guess so. Let's open image in new tab. Let's click it. Let's make it bigger. Big, bye. This kind of looks strange. And now you're gonna go back here and write snipping tool. Open the snipping tool, and hopefully guys you see that. Snipping tool, open new one. And yep, now you just need to crop out what you need. I need this much, I guess. This will do. Yeah, that's good. And now click here, file, and save this. Save it as the scorpion. Yeah, that's it. Now that it's saved, you can close it. No, close this. Here, now you can open Roblox. Now open Roblox. And now you can open develop. Open the t-shirts. And then here it's waiting. I've already actually created a lot. But click here, choose a file. By the way, Max Gamer, if you're watching this, I'm so sorry for copying your video. I'm doing the video because you said you're gonna delete the video that you did. You're gonna delete it. So this video I'm doing it. So this one. This is the one that we saved right now here. Click it. Scorpion, yeah, enter. Oh no, my battery life is low. I need to go. Wow. I'm gonna go. Quick. Yo. I'm back. But okay, let's get this out. Okay, who plugged this here? Let's put this back on. I'm not strong enough to do this. I'm just gonna put it on. I'm done. So let's put this here. Yeah, okay, let's put it. Now it's charging. Finally. Now the t-shirt has created successfully. By the way, this is the t-shirt. Let's open it. Come on. Now that's what I'm talking about. Now anybody can buy it. If you want to buy, just write down Scorpion. See this? This is I created. Me, yeah, I created right now. I showed you. If you want to create one, just create. No problem. Let's open my avatar. Let's open in my avatar. Actually, I already did this one. I did it. I actually did. I did this one, and I did. Yes, finally it's opened. I did this one, and I did this one, and I did this one, and I did nothing else. Just those. No, I did more, and I did this one. I did this one too. I did this one, and I did this one. Come on, I did this one. But now we're gonna be checking out the one that I just created right now. This one. Let's open it. Let's open it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Whoa, yo, bro, it looks sick. Let's see. Let's have a round. Yeah, this looks cool. Come on. Yeah. Wow, this is cool, guys. Yo, this is so cool. Wow, the hoodie. It's a Coco hoodie, but we edit it and we make it a Scorpion hoodie. Look at this, bro. Just look at this. Wow, it's cool. Wow, this is cool. So thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.